Hey guys, I'm Chandni and you're watching The Art of Science. Today, we are going to do a really fun and a colorful experiment. So let's dive right into it. All you need for this is a white plate, some colorful candies and a glass of warm water. First, you want to arrange the candies like so and then pour water into the plate such that the candies are half submerged. Wait for some time and voila! Look at that beautiful rainbow pattern. So let's take a moment here to understand why this happens. Well, these candies are made of sugar and colorful dyes, both of which are dissolvable in water. The warm water speeds up the dissolving process of the dye and sugar, and then this starts moving across. But why does it always go towards the middle of the plate? We call this process diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of particles, in this case sugar, from a place of higher concentration, which is the outer curve of the plate, to a place of lower concentration, which is in the middle of the plate. Make sure you experiment with different type of designs and patterns. Like I just made an island right here. And the flag of India. Let me know in the comments below what patterns you come up with. Like and share this video and keep following The Art of Science.